10 lines on National Unity Day for students and children in English. Set 1. 10 lines on National Unity Day for kids. Set 1 is helpful for students of classes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Number 1. On National Unity Day, swearing programs are held by Indian government. Number 2. On the National Unity Day, everyone comes together to show respect to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Number 3. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel has a vision for the best India. Number 4. Educational institutions organize various events such as quiz competitions, speeches, and many more for students on the National Unity Day. Number 5. National Unity Day is the best day to memorize Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's achievements and struggles. Number 6. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is popularly known as the Iron Man of India. Number 7. Initially, National Unity Day was started in the year 2014 by the Indian government. Number 8. Run for Unity was a program started in the year 2014 in New Delhi on the occasion of National Unity Day. Number 9. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the first Deputy Prime Minister in India. Thus, he is great in maintaining peace in the entire nation. Number 10. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was one of the inspiring personalities in India. Set 2. 10 lines on National Unity Day for school students. Set 2 is helpful for students of classes 6, 7 and 8. Number 1. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is called for spreading integrity. Thus, we celebrate his birthday as National Unity Day. Number 2. National Unity Day mainly aims to spread the message of uniting together among Indians. Number 3. Many programs plan a pledge-taking ceremony on National Unity Day by Indian government. Number 4. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel always remains a great personality and the best motivator for uniting everyone in India. Number 5. Indian government organizes different programs such as campaigns to spread awareness on National Unity Day. Number 6. The best way to celebrate National Unity Day is to stay united. Number 7. Indian government had launched the State Statue of Unity in the year 2018. Number 8. On National Unity Day, the statues of him are well decorated. Number 9. Every citizen in India should consider National Unity Day. Also, they need to show respect to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Number 10. National Unity Day is essential to build a strong nation. Set 3. 10 lines on National Unity Day for higher class students. Set 3 is helpful for students of classes 9, 10, 11, 12 and competitive exams. Number 1. National Unity Day falls on the 31st of October every year. Number 2. Narendra Modi inaugurated National Unity Day. Number 3. There is a famous saying that unity is the strength by India. Number 4. Statue of Unity is a statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel at Parliament Street, New Delhi. Number 5. Many programs are planned to highlight the struggle and efforts made by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel for uniting the whole nation. Number 6. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the best example of uniting the nation. Number 7. The main objective of National Unity Day is to promote national integration among Indians. Number 8. On National Unity Day, students give speeches about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's efforts for the country. Number 9. On National Unity Day, the marathon gets planned that shows unity within the country. Number 10. Police officers and NCC staff march past on National Unity Day. It is the third event after the marathon and pledges for unity occasions.